Question number 1. As per recognize of ISI maximum load that can be connected in one sub-circuit. Option A, 800 watt. Question number 2. As per recognize of ISI maximum number of point, fan and socket outlet that connected in one sub-circuit. Option B, 10. Question number 3. Cheapest system of internal wiring. Cheapest system, cleat wiring. Question number 4. Highly skilled labor require both conduit and casing capping wiring. Highly skilled labor require. Question number 5. Which of the following type of wiring is preferred for workshop lighting? Option C, cone-shell conduit wiring. Question number 6. Non-metallic conduit wire used in a internal wiring is generally made of PVC. Question number 7. PVC conduit can be burrow in plastic, lime, constant, any of the these. Answer any of these. Question number 8. PVC conduit can be joined by option number D, any of the above. Welding, thresholding, solvent, cement. Question number 9. PVC cable are usually used for option A, internal wiring of building and workshop. Question number 10. PVC is preferred over VIR in extreme environment such as in cement and chemical factory. This is because PVC is inter to oxygen and almost inert oil and many alkali acid. Question number 11. Multi-standard cable have the following advantage with respect to solid conductor. Multi-standard cable are more flexible, durable rod and therefore can be handled conveniently. The surface area of multi-standard cable is more compared to surface area of equivalent single conductor, so heated is rapidly capable more. Skin effect is better in conductor, suitable for in case of high frequency. Answer all of these. Question number 12. Fuse is provided in any electrical circuit for answer A, suffocated the insulation against heavy current.